Can we talk about the most delusional wealth in America right now? Home equity. If you bought before 2022 in Galveston County, chances are you're sitting on 40, maybe 50% equity. On paper, you feel rich. In reality, you're still Venmoing your friends for dinner. Equity is not wealth until it moves. Let me say that again. Equity is not wealth until it moves. Your house being worth more doesn't mean you can order guac without checking your bank account. Here's the uncomfortable truth. A lot of homeowners right now are sitting on what I call lazy equity. It looks impressive, it screenshots well, it makes Thanksgiving conversations spicy. But meanwhile, insurance is climbing, taxes are adjusting, maintenance isn't getting any cheaper, y'all. And that equity, well, it's just sitting there, being eaten alive by carrying costs. That equity is like a trophy spouse. Beautiful, expensive, and really not contributing. 2026 is not about flex and appreciation. It's about strategy, y'all. If your monthly payment has become emotionally stressful because of insurance or taxes, your equity may be your exit ramp. Sell high, downsize, or relocate smart. Lock in lower carrying costs. This isn't giving up, this is reallocating. Peace of mind has better return than granite countertops. Some of you have enough equity to reposition into a newer build with lower insurance exposure, a property with stronger rental demand, or a market with better long-term growth. But here's the key. Not all equity should be turned into a HELOC and spent on a pool. If your plan is, let's pull equity and see what happens, y'all, that's not investing, that's just vibes. Leverage is powerful when it's intentional. Random? Well, that's how people end up calling me in 3 years saying, Sherry, well, we might have messed up. If you bought pre-2022, you likely hit peak appreciation in 2024 and 2025. Now we're in a split market. Island inventory rising, mainland squeezed by new construction, insurance is rewriting the math. Well, that means your equity window may not stay wide open forever. Real estate is cyclical. Smart homeowners exit positions strategically. Waiting for just a little bit more appreciation is how people miss the appreciation window. Here's where people get stuck. They say, but we love this house, but we worked so hard for it. But what if it goes higher? All valid, truly, but real estate is not a scrapbook. It's an asset. You don't marry the house, you date it. If it stops serving your goals, it's time to move on. If the numbers are toxic, it's not love, it's financial codependency. 2021 was a seller's ego market. 2026 is a seller's strategy market. Buyers have calculators again, y'all, and insurance companies, well, they still have opinions. And builders are offering incentives. There's no longer about what your neighbor got. It's about what makes sense for you. Y'all, hope is not a retirement plan. So what's the smartest way to use your equity in 2026? You run the math, not Zillow math, not neighbor math, not Facebook group math, real math. That's why I offer a 2026 equity audit. And I'll show you what you'd net if you sold, what it costs to hold, what repositioning could look like, and whether your equity is working or just sitting there looking pretty. Text the word equity to 832-385-5101. No pressure, no push, just numbers. Because wealthy people don't guess, they calculate. I'm Sherry, your real estate matchmaker, living and selling in Galveston County.